Krishna came here looking in Radha's bhav, looking for Krishna. That's what I meant to say. Krishna came here as Gauranga in Radha's bhav, looking for Krishna. Gets a little confusing sometimes, at least for me. So then, when Krishna discovered Radhakund, and then in Radha bhav, Radharani likes everything that's black. Why? Because Krishna is black. So she wears a black sari and has black ointments and black makeup, and she let one of her great favorite girlfriends that she talks to every day without fail. There's 16,000 gopis, but this girlfriend, she makes sure she talks to her every single day, and at the beginning she starts her day off with the morning news, the daily news, the Dainak Jagran. And the Dainak Jagran, the daily news, is brought to Radharani's ears. The sweet news of Krishna's pastimes of milking the cows and waking up, etc., is brought by Shamala Sakhi. So that when Brinda Devi or Tulsi Manjari says, "Oh, Radhaju, Shama is here. Shamala Sakhi is here. Ah, bring her in. Shamala. So she just hears the name Shamala. Immediately she thinks Sham. And why is Shamala Sakhi called Shamala? Because she's like the same color as Krishna. So beautiful. What color is Sridham? Tricky questions, VIG. You learned this? No. What color is Sri? First of all, who is Sridham? So Sridham is the elder brother of Radharani. So okay, good, very good. Now, tricky question. Radharani is golden. Vrishabhanu is golden. At any rate, which means that too. So Sridham is Sham color. Why is Sridham Sham color?
Because he's all the time meditating.
Whenever Radharani is in Barsana, which is half the year, and every time she turns around, she sees Sham. Oh, Sham. Oh, it's my brother. Oh, Sham. It's my brother. Sham comes to the bedroom. They're brother and sister. Says, "Hey, Mom, lunch is ready. Come on, Radha, come." Oh, Sham. Oh, my brother. Okay, I'm coming. What color is Subal? Golden. He's Radharani's color. So who's always with Krishna? Subal. Who's always with Radharani when she, at least half the year? Sridham. And when she's not with Sridham, and every day she's with Shamala. So this is a nice point, and how we got there doesn't matter.